Hello Dragginator gamers, this is Signal. Now, if you do not know by now what Dragginator is, it is a blockchain app on top of the bismuth protocol. So there's a new functionality in this game where you are allowed to merge weak eggs. Well, you could also try to merge maybe eggs with strong abilities, but yeah, this might go wrong. So what I'm about to do now is I would like to merge two of my own eggs. You can only merge your own eggs, okay? So I'd like to merge two of my own eggs to become one new egg. And in this procedure, one of the egg of the two eggs you're choosing will absorb the other one. And of course create a new egg. And the old eggs will be archived. So first I would like to know which of my eggs I'm going to merge. Well, there are some rules, of course. Let's start by reading just the information here. Merging the eggs is a magical operation that takes two eggs, merge them, and produces a new egg with different properties. Well, if you ask why should I trade in two eggs to get just one egg back, it's because you want to improve your abilities. Yeah, and this will happen if you merge those two eggs, but it could also go wrong. So there's no, it will not be for sure that you will get a new egg with better abilities, but you can try. Okay, so there are some limitations and of course pitfalls. First, you can only merge your own eggs. Second, only regular eggs can be merged, which means that if you have the World Cup eggs, you cannot merge those, okay? So special eggs cannot be merged. And those eggs which are you're merging need to be compatible. And you can check the compatibility right here on this side. So what else? Like I said, one of the eggs you're choosing will absorb the other one. The old eggs will disappear or will be archived, and you will receive a new egg. The new egg should be close in appearance to one of the base eggs, but it will still differ a little because it's supposed to have better abilities. Yeah, that's what I said. No. And the goal is to get a stronger egg. Why do you want to get a stronger egg? Because you might want to participate in a cup again, and stronger eggs are always better. Like I said, there are some possibility that it will not work as expected and you're basically losing one egg. And well, if you merge two eggs, so if you think about merging two strong eggs and then think you're gonna get like the strongest eggs, this will not happen, I think. Once you merge your eggs, you cannot go back. So you cannot have your old eggs which you merged. You cannot have them back. Okay, so make sure that you really want to merge the eggs, and you're basically losing one egg. Or let's say you're losing two eggs, but you get a new one for that. Okay, now about the procedure. We are going to merge now some eggs. Yeah, so I have here my own eggs and I already chose which eggs I'm going to merge. It's this one here and this one. Let me see. So this is the first egg I'm going to choose. I basically chose an egg with low rarity. Both have the same because, yeah, just because. I'm just going to copy and paste this DNA and put it here in this compatibility checker. And where's my second one? Is this the second one? Yeah, that's my second egg. I'm just going to copy that DNA again and put it in the second egg field. I'm going to check for compatibility, and it really does work. So the only thing I have to do now, and by the way, this merging functionality costs you 0.5 bis currently. So I'm going to select and copy. Now I need to go to my wallet, to my bismuth wallet, because you know it is a bismuth protocol where everything happens. So I'm going to paste that URL with all the commands and read it. And now you see the operation is drag merge, and yeah, it will cost me 0.5. And okay. So I'm just going to send now. Now I'm going to confirm the transaction. You see that it will cost me 0.51 with the fees. Yeah, so I'm going to confirm. The transaction is accepted to the mempool, and now I could check. Yeah, I can check the mempool, but well, there's not much to see. So I'm just going to now stop the recording and come back if the transaction went through, and then you're gonna see how my old eggs got archived, and I'm going to receive a new egg, hopefully with stronger abilities. All right, we are now back, and the transaction finally is completed. You can see here in my transaction 0.5 to dragginator.com, and then dragginator.com sent me back the new egg. You will see now, if I check the transaction ID within the open field, if I copy that open field and go back here, now you're seeing this is now my new egg, and now we can compare this new egg to the old ones. Okay, now you see that my old egg had 239. The overall performance was 239. The one from the one egg and the second egg was 246. Now if I refresh the site, you will see that this egg got archived, and the information, it still says current owner, but it is archived. I cannot use it anymore. And also this happened to the second egg. It's also archived. Now if I check now the new egg has 378 overall performance. So you see that that this egg here, this water egg, the DNA he took the DNA from this egg, from the second egg. Okay, you see it visually, and you see this is pretty similar. Okay, just with better abilities. 378 from 246 and 239. Okay, so it got a better overall performance, and this is what we were looking for. You also might notice that the rarity kept the same from this one here also. Okay, so now we successfully merged two eggs to get one stronger egg. Like I said, this cost 0.5 bis, And yeah, it successfully worked, and we have now a stronger egg. All right, thanks for watching.